In a world that continually attempts to distract us, it's important to find time each day to recenter ourselves and find that still, calm space within. And then coming from that quiet stillness, we can emerge ready to navigate our day. And at any time or place, we can return to that inner sanctum when we need a moment all to ourselves. And because knitting and crocheting take us to that quiet, calm space, we've designed a pattern for you with the primary intention of helping you stay focused in the moment. This is our knitted Mindfulness cowl, and if you prefer to crochet, you can check out our unencumbered cowl. The simplicity of the stitches is intentional. It's a very easy pattern, even for super beginners, requiring just enough attention to keep you focused in the moment. You'll simply need some long cable needles and some fingering weight yarn. We used our pearlescent fingering weight and just 3 skeins are needed. I'm going to make a much smaller version today with very short circular needles. If you'd love the full instructions with needle size, color change info, number to cast on, you'll find the link below. You can also grab the pattern at expressionfiberarts.com. We're going to start our project by casting on our stitches using the long tail cast on method. Once you've cast on your stitches, you want to make sure that your stitches are not twisted. They should look like this. If they look like this, you're going to want to make sure and flip it back around so it's not twisted. Then we can begin round 1. For round 1, you're just going to knit every stitch all the way around. And if it helps to place a stitch marker at the beginning, you can, so that way you know where your round starts. The simple round can help us to relax. Remember to breathe, remember to drop your shoulders as you knit, and focus on this moment. Not yesterday, it doesn't exist any longer. Not tomorrow, tomorrow never really comes. We only ever have this moment, right here and right now. And when you reach the end of round 1, you're going to go ahead and slide your stitch marker from your left to your right needle. Round 2 is another knit round, so just knit every stitch all the way around. I found that true happiness and contentment are only ever found right now, in this quiet moment. Let your cares slip away for a few moments. You'll find the strength to tackle them later, you always do. But for now, just knit away, enjoying each stitch. For round 3, we're going to need to pay a little bit more attention. We're going to work knit 1, purl 1 all the way around. You'll begin with a knit 1, then bring your yarn to the front and work a purl 1, yarn to the back, knit 1, yarn to the front, purl 1, and continue on around. This round will require more focus and really sink you deep into the moment. I recommend saying the stitches all the way around. Knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, and keep going until you're back to the beginning. Next comes round 4. You're going to work purl 1, knit 1 all the way around. This round requires slightly less focus, as you can visually see which stitch you need to work into each. So when you come to a little V, which was a knit stitch in the round below, you're going to purl that. And when you come to a little purl necklace, which was a purl bump, we worked that as a purl stitch in the round below, you're going to knit it. So purl the V's, knit the little purl bumps. And continue repeating that around. Purl, knit, purl, knit. And that is the pattern. You're going to repeat rounds 1 through 4 until you love the size of the cowl. My hope is that you find a calm stillness and peace inside while knitting this luscious cowl. And after you've given your precious hours to this project, it'll return the favor by wrapping you in a giant hug to remind you that you are held, you are loved, you are guided. Soak up this precious day, and I will see you next week with another new pattern.